This video will take you through installing the Mobicip Child app on your iOS device. Before you begin, sign up for a Mobicip account from the parent app on your device or the Mobicip website. Search for the Mobicip app in the App Store and install it onto your child's device. Open the app, select Child, and log in with your Mobicip email and password. You will need to enable push notifications and locations in the following screens. Push notifications are needed during setup of the app to walk you through the steps after, which ensures a seamless communication between you and your child, while location helps Mobicip track and report live location of your child. The next step is to install and enable the Mobicip App Manager. App Manager needs to be enabled on your child's device to block apps, monitor social media, set up schedules, and set daily free time limits for your child. This step involves connecting your child's device to a PC or Mac and downloading and installing the software. Please watch this video that explains setting up App Manager to complete the child device setup. If you do not have access to a PC, please skip to the timestamp on the screen for an alternate setup. In case you do not have a computer close by, do not worry. You can continue using other features of Mobicip by completing the MDM Setup. Please follow the instructions to continue setting up Mobicip. Log in with your Mobicip email and password, accept the data disclosure agreement, and then select the child that will be using the device. Now that the device is linked to your account, download and install Mobicip's profile to complete the child app setup. Click on Download Profile and Allow. This will install the profile on your device. To install the downloaded profile, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap Profile Downloaded, tap Install, enter the device restrictions passcode if you have one, and tap Trust, then Done. You have successfully installed the Mobicip profile and you will get an alert. Tap to go back to the Mobicip app and let the registration process complete. The device is now secured by Mobicip and is ready to use. Please note that certain features like app blocking, schedules, and daily free time limits will not work, but internet, filter, locator, and other features will work on the device. When you get access to a PC, we recommend installing the App Manager to ensure that all features work on the device. Hand over the device to your child so they can customize their dashboard to collaborate with you and learn to self-regulate their device habits. You can manage and customize your child user settings from your Mobicip account on the Mobicip app on your device or by logging in to mobicip.com. As always, our support team is on standby to assist you with the setup or if you have any other questions. Please reach out to us by sending an email or setting up a call on mobicip.com/support. Thank you for choosing Mobicip.